So right here, what I got is what I'm building. It don't necessarily go straight at a slant up here. It's kind of got a little dip in it back here at the back. And I want to try to keep it as close to the details as I can. So I need to take this from being straight, and I need to make it kind of dip down and go back up right here on this end. So I'm gonna make a series of cuts here, and then we're gonna see if we can make it dip and tack it back up. So I'm trying to get as close to the little details in this thing as I can. If I start leaving off a bunch of details all over the whole thing, it's not going to look right. To me, it won't anyway. A lot of people won't pay no attention. But I will. Got to do is make both sides the same. So whatever this side ends up being, the other side's going to end up having to be the exact same. I remember my measurements here, and I remember how I bent it out when I put it back. We're going to go with that. another one up here. Go ahead and that was a lot of work just to get that little dip in here, but that little dip's important. Now, we want to move on to the next step, which is getting this thing tacked up where I said I wanted it to go. Somewhere about here. Can't see up on there. All right, so some of you might be already figured out what it's going to be. You can kind of tell what it's going to be if you look at it good enough. I ain't going to still tell what it's going to be. We're just going to see it start coming together a little bit more. All I'm going to tell you is it's going to be a mailbox. So